Number 7 is the custom mode found in the margins section. So let's say that you want to apply certain value to your inner and outer margin. And then you want to continue to set up your columns, subcolumns to whatever value that you want. Now, this is quite easy in this new version. All I have to do is just go in here and just enter the values that I want. Now, of course, we still have these drop downs if you're following the grid, but if you're breaking the grid here, setting up your own thing, then you're going to be working a lot with the custom setup. Now, the custom setup actually also works if you're following the grid. So you can really, for example, you could set your main columns using the drop down here to follow the grid, and then you can go in and work with subcolumns that is breaking the grid. So that's quite flexible, and it's totally up to you how you want to work. So it's the same thing here with the subcolumns. Just enter my values. We've added a new thing here called secondary columns, which is great if you're working on, let's say, a special story in a magazine and you want to have a quite different layout. So this is quite easy to do. Just enter whatever setup you want. See here. Yeah, it's a great feature. And we've done the same thing here with the rows. We've added the sub rows and secondary rows, work in the exact same way. And you can just play around with this yourself later on. Okay, so that's the custom setup.